Hi, Alexis Blossom here. Today I'll be showing you how to do a origami frog. What you need is one sheet of paper, scissors, and glue, or tape, whatever you want. First, hold this with this. Hold the paper to make a very long rectangle. Just like this. Then you're going to fold it to make a shorter rectangle. And open it across this line. Cross it diagonally to make a triangle, almost like a paper airplane. This part you're going to cut off. That's why you need scissors. Okay, then open this paper up. And then grab the other end and fold it to make it diagonally. And then you should see X's like this. And then you want to fold the paper this both sides. Then you should have almost a tent. Next, you're going to grab your fingers and pinch it like that to make a little hole. Next is you're going to need glue, so start preparing it. And then just fold these two. Glue these triangles. And paste it onto the paper. Then grab this one and just fold it. And do the same to the other side. Put glue on this and glue the triangles. Next is you're going to fold this part to make the feet. As you notice, this will not look like a frog yet, so that's why you need to glue this part just like that. And then glue it here. And then glue this part. And then you just fold this. That, and maybe if you can jump. Or you can hop a little. And the best of all, you can draw eyes in your mouth. That's how you make an origami frog. Bye.